G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got another unboxing for you. It's a laptop time again. It's the HP Omnibook Ultra Flip 14 2024 model. Just got it in my hands. Let's check out what's inside. Okay, so a bit of a story with this one actually. I've been in the media for almost 30 years. Lots and lots and lots of launches. And most of them are pretty much, well, a lot of them are very similar to each other, but this one was very, very different. This is the first time this has ever happened to me. So HP actually rocked up at my front door of my house with this whole setup where they got a toolkit basically and then redesigned the toolkit to hold, not this particular laptop, but a Omnibook Ultra Flip 14, all kind of set up in this cool way. And they had like a bottle of wine, some food, some stuff, and then a couple of the guys who work for HP came and sat down with me for an hour and just took me through some of the features and what it's doing. Like, so the kind of typical briefing experience that you might get when we go to a launch event somewhere in the city, but in my house. So it was really kind of cool. I really enjoyed it. I got a lot out of it too. But I actually haven't opened my one yet. That was just the one that they had on display in their giant toolbox, it was such a cool idea. So we're gonna dive in and have a look. Let's have a look at some of the specs are on this thing. All right, we've got a Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. We've got 1 terabyte solid state drive, 32 gigabytes of onboard DDR5 RAM, Windows 11, 14-inch 3K OLED display with 400 nits brightness, 400 nits. 120 Hz refresh rate though, VRR, Poly Studio, fingerprint reading. It's all sounding pretty positive. 400 nits brightness, that's a bit on the low side, but otherwise everything else sounded great. Okay, let's see what's inside. So, I thought I was on a peel back thing and I didn't get my knife. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can get this off without the help of some tool. Wow, it's ripped the cardboard. Probably would have been better if I just, oh well, that's what you get for not bringing the right tools. I've wrecked the beautiful box. Okay. Oh, there we go. Cool, it pops up like that. Diaphragmy, I guess. Powered by, well, it's Omnibook. All right. So we've got the whole entire top part here is reserved for the laptop, nicely protected. A lot of padding around it. All feels pretty sustainable. For those of you who are into such things, we've got, it's kind of nicely, pretty nicely set out actually. And let's have a look in here, see what we've got. We have, it's a big envelope. It's a big sleeve for what is effectively just a small get started guide. Is it even a get started guide? Yes, it is. So turn on the power. Everything else is on the screen, right? So maybe a little bit of unnecessary paper there, and a warranty sleeve. So that's that's a bit of a curious. Everything else is pretty cool, but that's a bit getting on. Serial number and everything's up there. All right, what else we got? We have, ooh, fancy. It's got that kind of textured feel to it. Yeah, you get on those like really good USB-C cables. And a clip, let's get rid of that. And what are we looking at here? Get this out of the way. All right, okay, that's getting as close to 2 meters, I reckon. USB-C, and then you can add onto that the additional power thing. So you're going to get at least 2.5 or between 2.5 and 3 meters of cable length. And it's not too bulky when you try to squish it into your bag. It's not great. I mean, Apple's kind of got the win on all that, don't they? But yeah, not too bad. Okay, so power cable, box. All right, that's it for what's inside the box. Let's open the laptop. Okay. Oh, look at that. Is there silver on? Okay, slide her out. Oh, black. Feels solid. Like it feels like dense, like it's got power. Reminds me of, it feels like a similar weight to I was recently using a MacBook M2. It feels about the same weight as that. So that means the MacBook M2 was impressive in terms of its power. Port-wise, got a USB-C over here. Oh look, they're on the corners, see? What a cool design. See like if you can see that, the hexagon shape there at the end? That's actually a port. So the ports come out the back. That's cool. I like it. Now this is a flip, right? So it should go all the way around. So there's, that thing that's always there. Pretty small and neat keyboard. So it's not a full keyboard. That's okay. Big trackpad. Look at the size of that trackpad. And quite a bit of space around the outside, which doesn't appear to have a speaker on it. So that's could be a missed opportunity. What's that? Is that 1610? Yeah, it looks like a 1610 screen. Hinge is really solid, just good. Because we hate with those flimsy screens is you get this on the bus. Drives me insane. Okay. Well, initial impressions, feels like a beast. Love this USB idea. We'll see how practical it is in actual use, but it's definitely going to make sure that external hard drives or mouse cables or anything you might have going in here, power cables, they're all going to be coming in from a place that isn't a worry to you as the user moving their arms, be you left or right-handed, which is good, right? Because most of the laptops are generally, I'm right-handed, so as soon as they put all the ports on your right-hand side, it's in the way, it sucks. So I prefer them on the left-hand side, but obviously if you're left-handed, that sucks for you. In this case, it doesn't suck for either party. What's that? Is that a headphone jack? Might be. Okay. Well, there we go. There is a quick unboxing of the Omnibook Ultra Flip 14. Oh, I didn't flip it. Does it flip? Let's have a look. It does, because it's Ultra Flip. All right, so there we go, A-frames. For any of you guys who surf, like me, an A-frame. Best in the world. All right. And there you go, into a tablet experience. Okay. Geez, it really folds really easily and nicely. All right, so there's some initial impressions about the HP Omnibook Ultra Flip 14, 2024. We're gonna put this through its paces. Is this Copilot Plus? Let's have a look. Yep, they're all Copilot Plus now. We're gonna put this through its paces. It's gonna be reviewed on the channel soon, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, make sure to check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching this one. Until next time, I'll check you later. You.